How to make the universe work for you every day. The best way to change your life and create sustainable wealth in abundance is to start making the universe work for you every day. This is a discovery of a system, universal law and principle that will change your life and make you invisible, unstoppable and unbeatable for you to succeed better and take total control of your life in a systematic order. During a question and answer Ask Me Anything session, which a man and his little son always did, the 5-year-old boy asked his father saying, "Daddy, what changes the food I eat into my poo?" The father looked at him, although a bit astonished, and said, "It is the process of digestion." The boy paused and said, "What is digestion?" The father replied, "It is the design of the human body system." The next question became obvious, as the boy then added, "What is a system?" The man thought carefully and answered the son saying, "A system is a process of how things work." Few days later, it crossed his mind to check what a system is with the dictionary. The man was happy when he saw that the word process is one of the synonyms of the system. And then he discovered that everything exists as a system or in a systematic order. This story has a great significance to help you understand that the universe works in a systematic order. And hence, one thing to always have at the back of your mind is that everything is systematic. The Oxford English Dictionary defines system as 1. A set of things working together as parts of a mechanism or an interconnecting network, a complex whole. 2. A set of principles or procedures according to which something is done, an organized scheme or method. The Merriam-Webster Dictionary says a system is a group of interacting or interrelated elements that act according to a set of rules to form a unified whole. Hence, a system is a principle of order that renders confusion impossible naturally and mechanically. A system ensures the success of things more than good intentions or great passion. The universe is systematic just as the most perfect machine. Do you know it is your right and privilege to make the universe work for you in a systematic order according to its laid down rules and principles? Do you know that is how to receive the abundance on earth? Everything in the universe or on earth is created to help humans succeed, as humans are co-leaders of the universe. What you are up for is a golden and multi-trillion-dollar secret of the universe, life and success for your greatness. Unfortunately, the earth is revolting. Things are getting worse for humanity, evil prospers against good people, many people are struggling and discouraged, their strength and knowledge are failing them just because they do not know how to make the universe work for them according to its laid down rules and principles. Now you are about to change your life completely. And you should understand how the universe works systematically.